Hello everyone, myself Ashwini, student of 4th year. Today I am going to explain about one of the Kanthagata Roga, which is Rohini, and in modern it is correlated with diphtheria. Definition: जिह्वा प्रबंधजा कंठदारुणमार्गरोधिनः मांसांकुरा शीघ्रचया रोहिणी शीघ्रकारिणी. It is attached to the jihva and present in the kantha. Accumulation of three doshas combinedly vitiate rakta, which in turn vitiate mamsa and sprouted muscular growth at the root of the tongue inside the throat. This growth is very dreadful, so it is entitled as ashukari, that is fatal. According to Acharya Sushruta and Acharya Vagbhatta, five types of Rohini are explained. They are Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Raktaja and Sannipataja Rohini. So now we will see each type in detail. Vataja Rohini, primary stage. Kanthasya Shosha, Hrudva Tatsa, Hanu Shrodra Rakkiri. Clinical features are an extremely painful and muscular growth develops surrounding the tongue and causes obstructions of throat. Associated with dryness of mouth and throat, pain in jaw and ears, Kampa, Vinama and Shambhala, etc. are seen in Vataja Rohini. So, Samanya Chikitsa of Vataja Rohini are Lekhana with Nakhashastra or Anguli Shastra, Pratisarana with Panchalavana will be given. Pittaja Rohini, acute inflammatory stage. Shiprodgama, Shipravidaha Paka, Tivrajvara, Pitta Nimittaja Syat. Clinical features are reddish sprouty growth, rapid inflammatory and suppuration will be seen high fever, burning sensation and delirium, feeling of exhaling hot fumes throughout throat and tenderness. So, Samanya Chikitsa of Pittaja Rohini are Kavala with Draksha and Punarnava. Kafaja Rohini, stage of complication respiratory. Sroto Nirodhyanyappi Mandapaka Gurvi Sthira Sa Kafa Sambhava Ve. Clinical features are a firm, heavy, slimy and a pale in color, growth which is obstruct the channels but spreaded slowly. Clinical Samanya Chikitsa of Kafaja Rohini are Svedana, local and general Svedana should be performed. Nasya, oil processed with the Nimba, Jati and Vidanga. Raktaja Rohini, Spotachita, Pittasama, Nalinga, Asavyat, Pratishta Rudiratmakeyam. Clinical features are it resembles a burning charcoal and studded with blisters, associated with pain in ears and features of same as a Pittaja Rohini. So, Samanya Chikitsa of Raktaja Rohini are according to Sushruta advised management similar to the Pittaja Rohini, but Dalhana opines that it is an incurable. Sannipataja Rohini, stage of multiple complications. Gambhira Paka, Apravrutti Var Virya, Tridosha Linga, Traya Sambhava Syat. Clinical features are deeply situated suppurations which is untreatably by any measure. Having features of all the three doshas is called Sannipatika Rohini. Fatality Sadhya Pranahara means immediate death. So here is a brief descriptions of all the types of Rohini. Now we will see modern correlation, that is diphtheria. Introduction: it is an acute infection caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae, a gram-positive bacillus. Laryngeal diphtheria is very serious emergency requiring tracheostomy. Clinical features are oropharynx, larynx and nasal cavity are commonly involved. Low-grade fever, tachycardia with weak pulse, a hoarse crowfic cough, stridor are some of the important signs and symptoms. Enlarged and tender cervical lymph nodes, especially gigolodigastric, gives as the appearance of a bull neck. Here is the pathogenical stages of diphtheria. Diagnosis are serological examination, cultural smear. Clinical features with detection of pseudomembrane, Albert staining of swab from oropharynx and larynx, Shinks test. Treatment is hospitalization with maintenance of nutrition, fluid intake and oxygen, antibiotics like benzyl penicillin or erythromycin, tracheostomy to relieve airway obstructions, and active immunization. Thank you.